Record heat waves across Europe are dramatically shifting the cooling appliance market. Temperatures exceeding 40 degrees Celsius closed schools and cancelled many outdoor events. An omega heat dome phenomenon is trapping hot air, causing prolonged extreme heat. Since June, Germany, France, and Nordic regions have consistently seen temperatures near 40 degrees. Europe traditionally had low air conditioner penetration due to old buildings and high installation costs. Now, air conditioners are becoming essential survival appliances, not just luxury items. In France, discount stores like Lidl saw chaotic crowds for €179 portable air conditioners. China's air conditioner exports to Europe surged over 70% in the first half of this year. Chinese company Midea sold over 200,000 porta-split units, doubling last year's sales. This growing reliance on Chinese cooling products presents new economic and political challenges for the EU.